So I bought this thing.
Welcome to the flight 399 Boyan Airline.
Can I speak?
Okay, talk.
I've been down with a friend.
Feel like falling deeper. Cold nights 난 너무 싫어. 기다리기에는 너무 길어. 줬던 내 사랑이 식어. 기대만 하는 것도
With my family, and it's been a while honestly spending time with my family, so I'm pretty lit. So
놔줘 내 마음을, 놔줘 내 가슴을 다 바쳐 사랑하기엔 내 자신이 너무 걱정돼. 바보 같은 생각이야. 알아 멍청해. 상상만으로도 좋은 상상만으로도 힘든 이중적인 면을 가지고 있어. 사랑이라는 거. Oh yeah.
what flavor is it? Peppermint chocolate. A peppermint chocolate chip and one strawberry ripple. Both bread, please. Thank you. Raise me up on the mountain. You raise me up. Cheers. Oh my god, green grape. Okay. So I bought this thing.
Welcome to the flight 399 Boyan Airline.
Can I speak?
Okay, talk.
I bought this thing for my laundry. Basically it's a backpack.
Promote lah. So berapa kilo boleh masuk? Berapa kilo boleh masuk?
I don't know. Quite cute, right?
Buka si besar.
Okay.
Show the whole.
Quite big. See?
Okay.
And you wear it as a backpack.
Okay. When I crash on the sea, please throw all the bag. Forget all the document and jump.
Okay, today right is Father's Day. Do you know?
You know lah.
Tomorrow. Because it's Father's Day, right? I wanna ask you a couple questions. Okay? When is my birthday?
You forget it.
No, must know when.
1996.
996 what?
I don't know. 1996.
How old am I?
27.
Correct. That's a hint to my birthday. 27 what?
27 or September.
So the total is what?
31st September.
No, my birthday, the whole date is what?
29.
Just now you just said what? 27. 27 what?
September 1969.
1996 lah. Okay. So what primary school did I go?
Convent school.
No, the name.
Saint Maria.
No. I just finished bathing. I feel really refreshed now. I'm gonna try this vitamin C drink that my friend got for me, Emma. It's my first time trying this, to be honest, but I know vitamin C is good, especially when you're sick. So, wow, tastes really good. It's not too sour.
물 한 마리에다가요. 이거 두 숟가락 넣고 뿌리시면 돼요. 살충제.
아이 시골이라고 말이야. 노인네들만 보다가 저렇게 젊고 이쁜 아가씨.
Hi guys. For the last week, I've been cooped up at home because I've been down with a very bad virus called influenza virus, and it was really honestly one of the worst viruses I ever had in my life. Even way worse than COVID. My throat is still a little bit of iffy and my nose as well, but throughout the whole 7 days I had like high fever and it fluctuates a lot. It's not ideal, and I've been staying at home and all I could think of is resting, eating my medicine, and also catch up on my Korean drama, which honestly I enjoyed that big part. Yeah, I think I really needed the rest. I feel like it's been a while since I had a very long break for myself, constantly been working and doing other stuff outside of work as well. Today is a Saturday and we are actually gonna go out. We're supposed to celebrate my boyfriend's birthday today, but I don't feel 100%, so our date is still going to be very simple. We're going to postpone that celebration, but today for this date it's just going to be very simple. We're going to watch a movie. It's been so long since I watched a Disney Pixar movie, so I'm actually quite excited for that. I've been wanting to watch Disney movie for so long. I'm glad that I'm getting out of the house because like I can never stay in the house for so long. It's too hard. I don't even know how I survived like pandemic time when we stayed in the house for 3 months straight. 1 week already felt like 1 year, man. So my outfit for the day is this turquoise dress, and then with some pearl necklace and some scrunchie and this cute little basket bag. It's the birthday boy. So today, right? Yeah,
Yes.
before you watch movie, you know what we're gonna do?
Yes, what?
I'm gonna impromptu change your birthday plan. The birthday plan is I'm gonna get you your birthday present together with you. Yeah. So let's go. Are you excited?
Yeah, I'm excited, but I didn't expect this.
멈춰서 너와 내
Chicken.
생각해 시간은 흘러 이젠 여기까지 Feels better than we're on a separate ways
You know what I'm gonna buy for you?
Nope. I have no idea.
It's something that like you've always needed.
It's always needed.
Yeah.
Is it an electric?
No, don't guess
toothbrush?
anything. Don't guess. Electric toothbrush. You buy that yourself lah. What the hell? Why would I buy you electric toothbrush?
Well, I think, but you see, it's something that you really need, right?
Yeah lah. I feel like something that you really need and you might be able to use it every day.
Thinking about the way
I wanna get you a belt from Polo Ralph Lauren. But specifically from this line if they have.
불 붙여 지활화탄을 붉고 서서히 태가네 다리 밑 주저앉아 순식간에 지나가
Since you couldn't find the belt, so what do you want?
I want a running shoe.
Running shoe.
가면서 기억이 하나도 그냥 없어져 그래도 남아있을걸 너가 말들 난 안 잊을래 Pretend I'm fine alone